So third sum, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha is the given. To prove cos 3 theta is equal to 1 by 2 alpha cube plus 1 by alpha cube. Alpha cube plus 1 by alpha cube, the given 1 by 2 is on the outside. So first I am going to take LHS, this is LHS, I need to prove RHS. First you take LHS. What is LHS here? Cos 3 theta. You know cos 3 theta formula is a triple identity. Cos 3 theta is nothing but 4 cos cube theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Without this formula, you can't able to write this sum. So memorize these formulas. It's very easy, no? Cos 3 theta is nothing but 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So put 4 cos cube theta. Actually, what is cos theta? 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha. This cube, no. How I can put 1 by 2 1 by cos cube 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha the whole cube. This is cos theta 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha cube minus 3. What is cos theta? The same 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha. So see here 4. Apply cube here 1 by 8. 1 the whole cube is 1. Here apply cube here alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha the whole cube. 3 into 1 is 3 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha. Both will be cancelled, so it becomes 1 by 2. Open the bracket. Alpha plus 1 by alpha. You want to know this formula. This formula you studied in higher standard, lower standard, but I will teach you once again what is the formula. What is the formula? A plus B the whole cube. A plus B the whole cube formula. Nothing but A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Only easy formula. If you doesn't know the formula, learn once again. I am teach you, learn now. It's no problem. If it does not know the formula, learn this formula now. So what is A here? A is nothing but alpha, B is nothing but 1 by alpha. Apply here alpha plus 1 by alpha. Alpha alpha cube plus 3 into A square. A square is alpha square. B, what is B? 1 by alpha plus 3 into A. What is A? Alpha. What is B square? 1 by alpha square plus B cube. B cube is nothing but 1 by alpha cube. Close the bracket. Minus 3 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha. So 1 by 2 put as it is 1 by 2. Write alpha cube. After this one 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by alpha cube. Both can be cancelled. If I going to cancel both the things, here alpha square, here alpha no. What you get? 3 alpha plus. If I go into both the plus 3 alpha square cancel. Therefore 1 by alpha 3 by alpha. This is I am taking this 2. Alpha square alpha cancel alpha square 1 by alpha. So close the bracket. Minus 3 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha. So I am going to take this term as it is. I am going to multiply 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 alpha cube plus 1 by alpha cube. So I am going to take this term as it is and going to multiply 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What is common area? 3 also common. Put 3 outside and alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha. Check it carefully. See here 1 by 2 multiply with 1 by 2 alpha cube plus 1 by alpha cube. Here 3 is common. Put 3 outside. Alpha plus 1 by alpha. 1 by 2 also multiply. 1 by 2 3 outside alpha plus 1 by alpha. Minus 3 by 2 alpha plus 1 by alpha. 3 into 1 3 by 2. Here minus 3 by 2. Both can be cancelled. Here 3 by 2, here also minus 3 plus 3 by 2, here minus 3 by 2, both will be cancelled. So what is the answer we have got? 1 by 2 alpha cube plus 1 by alpha cube is equal to RHS. How easily the sum we can prove? But we want to know 2 formulas. We need to know 2 formulas and some technique to solve this sum, because taking this is very important. This step is very important. If we take this sum and dividing the terms correctly, then you can do the sum very easily. But to solve this sum, we need 2 formulas. This is the first formula we need. This is the second formula we need. This is a technique we need. That's all. By knowing these 3, you can solve this sum. Thank you.